So this is the author layout pack for Divi that I want to use. It's the author layout pack. Basically, it's a templates. Makes it very easy to set up a website, nice looking website, fast. And here, as you can see that the layout pack, and it comes free if you already are a member of Divi, of Elegant Themes. It'll already be loaded, so it's even easier to set up a really nice author website and to get up and running. As you can see, it's got lots of different sections, different pages to display for the books, a landing page, a home page, a contact page. It's got a blog page. Let me click here so you can see the demo, the live demo. So here's the landing page. See, nice way of showing the book and about the author, and got a section for other books and events, and a coming soon section, and then the blog part. So it's a very nice looking theme. Let's take a look at the home page. So there it is, you can see. Very nice looking theme. Very professional looking. And very easy to set this up. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Alright, so we're going to add a page so we can go ahead and start using that author pack. So I'm going to go ahead and type home here and click on use the Divi builder. It's going to load it in, and on this page I'm going to go ahead and click the use the visual builder. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it's going to load that up. Okay, so there's the blank page right now. Here on the blue circle, click on add, and that's going to load items from the library. And as you can see, we have three choices here. You can build from scratch. You can choose a pre-made layout, or you can clone an existing page. We're going to use a pre-made layout, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and that's going to load all the templates from the library, the pre-made layouts as they call them in Divi. And here you go. So as you can see, there's lots of choices, lots of different choices here. If you have a yoga studio, a farmer's market, restaurant, anything that you can use. We're looking for the author layout pack, and that's right down here, right there. As you can see, the author layout pack. So I'm going to click on that, and that loads up all the different layouts in this pack. There's 7 of them. And here you can do a quick preview right here on the side, and you can do a live demo if you want. Click on the view live demo, and it'll load it up so you can see it in action. So this is the author landing page, the author landing layout that we saw earlier. Okay, looks good. And if you want to see something else, you click on that. So this is the home page layout in that pack. As you can see, again, click on the live demo. Let's take a look at it. Here it is. So this will be the home page for my website. All right, so that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on use this layout, and here is importing that layout into my website, to my web page, as you can see, and it's done. And boom, as you can see now, this is on my website. There's my URL there, and that layout has been installed. And now customizing it is, getting the basic customization is very simple. So for example, obviously I want my book cover here, so just click on the settings there, and here's the image that it's using right now, which is that default cover. Go ahead and click on settings on that, And from here, I'll be able to choose whatever I want. Images in my media file, I can upload them or use what I have. I'm gonna have my latest book here, so I want that to be Odd Jobs. Let's see. I want one that's good quality. One of the bigger files. Let's see. This one here looks good. So I'll go ahead and upload that image, and boom, that easy. As you can see, now it's my book cover on there. Adding a link is easy. Click on the area here. You can open it in a lightbox if you want, but I'm not going to use that. And then for the URL, just you can, if you have a book page already set up, you can do that, or you can just use Amazon's link. As I build this out, I might have something different, but for right now, I'm just going to put the Amazon link on there to Odd Jobs. I'll go ahead and open it in the same window, but you can also do it in a new tab if you want. I'm going to go ahead and do that. You can change the background and everything else, but right now I'm just going to leave that as is. Click the check mark to save it, and then to change the text, very simple. Just replace what you want here and just start typing. So I want to put here that it's my latest book here, like that, and change the title, obviously, to Odd Jobs. So as you can see, it's very easy to change this right from the layout. I'll go ahead and put the series info on here. It's just the Pete Maddox series. And let's see, book number 3. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there too. So thriller series number 3. And then they have some placeholder text there. I'm going to replace that. Just going to grab it from the Amazon page for now. Just to have this set up quickly and easiest. I'm just going to copy this for now from here. Let's see. I'll go with this part here. So I'm just going to do a copy here of this. And as you can see, it's just like working with any a Word document. Basically, you can copy and paste it right on here. There you go. And I'm going to add a little bit more info here. Yeah, this little part here. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and copy this. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to paste it into the page right in here. And then, too much space there. I'll delete that out. Okay. And so the button, click, don't click on it. Go to the little settings toolbar. Did it again. Sorry. All right, here we go. Go to the little settings wheel. And that'll open that up. And I'm going to replace that. I like to make my buttons on my website look like Amazon's, because that's what people are used to. Let me see. Let me look at one so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's take a look at this book here from Andrew Peterson, and as you can see, those are the color that I want to go for. So usually they say buy now. So I'm going to go ahead and type buy now here. Okay, as you can see, it changes it automatically on the fly in real time. URL, I'm going to put the Amazon URL in here again. Let's see, go back and get that. And let's see. Yeah, so we're just going to go and put that in there for now. And you can, obviously you can set this for whatever you want. Right now I'm select with Kindle, so the only place you can buy it is on Amazon. So I'm gonna just put that there. Put up in a new tab. I'm gonna use the same window. since this is a by action. So hit the check mark, that'll save the changes. Design, I want to change the color of the button and the text. So as you can see, there's lots of things you can do here. You can add box shadows, you can add filters, you can add animation, you can change the spacing, alignment, anything you want. So let's start with the color of the button, the background color. I'm going to change that, and I'm going to change it to the one that looks more like the Amazon color of that Amazon orange yellowish look. So that's that easy. Just do that, and as you can see here, you can do a border width if you want, make it smaller, make it bigger. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. Button border color, you can change that if you want as well. Alright, I'm gonna make this a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna make the border also be same color here. And then the text, as you can see for Amazon, they always use a black text with their buttons. So I'm gonna change that as well. So let me go back here, and I'm going to change the color, the text color here. So very simple. Click on that, and it is now black. So hit the check mark, and now it's looking a little bit more like an Amazon button. So you can see it's very easy to make these changes. So next up here, I'm going to change the author information here. I'm gonna swap out Emma Sophia's picture with my own. So I'm gonna click the little settings. Same concept as for the book covers. As you can see, it's very easy. I'm gonna put my mug in there. Let's see, I have several options here. Let's see, which one should I use? Let's see how this one looks. Well, not too bad, but that's a lot of white though. So I think I'm going to use something else. I like that one with a brick wall. I know it's a little cliche with a brick wall, but I like it. Yeah. Alright, so I think I'm going to use this one here instead. So click on that, click on upload an image, and boom, swaps it right out. Easy peasy. Same thing, you can add a link, you can change the background, lots of things you can do. Change the alignment. If you want to center it on mobile, because this is all mobile ready. You can change the width. I'm going to leave it that's the default that they have set it for. I'm going to go ahead then and like I said, to border, box shadows, animation, lots of little things that you can play with here. I'm not going to have any animation on it. But if you like it, you can do that yourself. You can just experiment. Alright, so I'll save that, and now I'm just going to edit this information here. And just like I did with the book cover, you can just start typing away and replacing the text here. So I'm going to go ahead and write my name on here. I'm going to change this to about. And then a little quick bio here. I'm going to grab that from my Amazon page. And just to make this a little easier, a little quicker, I mean. I'm going to click on that. Alright, so let's see. It looks good right here. Okay. So I'm going to hit copy of that. Let's go back and add that as my bio. And as you can see, like Word or anything, you can bold, you can use italics, you can underline. Alright, that looks good. Alright, so my other book section here, it's going to be the same as the other one. I'm going to show you how fast it is to do this. It's so easy. Click on the image, settings, go find your book cover. So my first book is The Asset. I want to use that. That was a small thumbnail, so I want to use a bigger one. Let's see, here we go. So this is a good size, so I'm going to use that. Upload image, boom. It's changed it. And same thing, link. I'm gonna link to the Amazon sales page for now, but I'll do that later. So let's see, book number 2. Click the settings wheel, click on the image, and then just replace it. And so I'm gonna do that with my second book. She's Gone. And let's see, is it this one? Yeah, that's the one. Upload the image. Let me take a look at this one. No, yeah, that's a thumbnail. So definitely it's this one here. Upload an image. Click on the upload an image button. And that's been changed. Now, as you can see, it's a little bigger than the asset cover. So I want to go to Design tab, click on Sizing, and here you can change it, as you can see. So I want to make it the same size as the assets. There we go. Oop, I went over a little bit. So you just play that with that. You play with that here until you get to a size that you're happy with. It's very sensitive. this roll bar is a little sensitive. Okay, there we go. A little smaller. There we go. Okay. Hit the check mark. I'll start obsessing over that. Book number 3, settings wheel. Click on the image. Select your book cover that you want to replace the placeholder book cover. So that's my 3rd book, Odd Jobs. And let me see. Here's the big one. Click upload image. Boom. I'm going to have to tweak these sizes again. So click on the Design tab, Sizing. Get that resize here. Alright, that looks good. Check mark. And the 4th book. And you can add more books, obviously. You just clone these sections. You can, click on that. Let's go to The Forgotten Spy, which is my latest, which hasn't been published yet. There we go. That's the big one. Click upload an image. I'm going to go ahead and size that up. Okay, looks good. All right, hit the check mark, and then let me just tweak this a little bit more. Now I'm getting a little obsessive here with this. All right, that looks good. All right, so hit the check mark, and then here's where you then go in and just change the information. The blurb and the title. Oop, hold on, get rid of that. So just change it to this one's the asset. Oh, you can also do that from here. If you click on the wheel bar, if you prefer to work with the actual text, kind of like a WordPress editor, you can do it from there too. But it's just as easy to do it from here, so I just do it from here. So this is the asset. She's Gone. Odd Jobs. And The Forgotten Spy. And so I'll update the blurbs here, of course, and I'm going to change the button text for The Forgotten Spy, so it says coming soon, as you can see. There we go. Okay. Next level here, then we can have quotes here if you want, and you can remove these, you can add new ones, you can do anything you want, but I'm just showing you here. You can add your own reviews here. I'm going to be using some of my Amazon reviews and some of the reviews I've gotten. This section here, and here's the newsletter. Let me just show you the newsletter section because it's pretty cool and it works very nice and easy. So you just click on the settings wheel. You can change the newsletter there, as you can see, and the content. And Divi integrates with a lot of well, first let me show you. These are all the different things you can do. You can change the layout, the fields, the text, the field text, the colors, the font. Anything can be changed. Click on the settings, and you can. This is for the entire module, as you can see. So very easy. Anything's customizable. If you want to change the background color, for example. So all right. So now let me show you the actual how easy it is to integrate this with your mailing list. Divi integrates with just about every major email marketing software provider, like MailChimp or Aweber or whatever. So let me hit the wheel here, and we'll go into join my newsletter. We'll leave that there. Okay, first I'll go ahead and change this here. Let me just quickly do this since I'm right here. Just to show you, there's the placeholder tag, so you can type whatever you want, as you can see. Let's just leave it. Get the latest updates for now. I'm just gonna leave that there. All right, so email account here. You want to go into that section. Click on the little drop-down arrow, and as you can see, the service providers, like I said, they integrate with tons of different companies. I use Aweber. They use MailChimp as well too, because I know a lot of you guys use MailChimp, but I use Aweber. So I need to connect it now with Aweber. I just click to add, and that'll now connect here with my Aweber account. So I just need to log in and allow access. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then this is the authorization code that I need to copy from Aweber, and then come here and paste it. So account name here, and then the authorization code, and I'll paste it here, and I'll hit submit. Now this is with Aweber. I don't use MailChimp, but I'm assuming they have a similar setup process as well. And it takes a few seconds for Divi and Aweber to connect. There we go. That's it. Done. As you can see. Now these are all my different mailing lists that I have. So I just need to select one. Select Alan Peterson, and that's it. Click check. And now it's integrated. People who join the newsletter from my webpage here, from this opt-in form, are going to be automatically added to my Aweber account. So very nice and easy to use and integrate. All right, so just a quick setup here. As you can see, very easy to do and to change, and lots of things that you can do. You click on here, you can add new models. Let me go ahead and publish that so you can see how it looks for now, right now. So I'm gonna wait for that. All right, and as you can see, there it is. Got my logo up there, and there's the my odd jobs, my latest book, my bio, my other books. There's the review. I haven't updated that yet, as you can see, but newsletter's integrated, and so as you can see, it's very simple to have a nice looking website up and running very fast with Divi's layouts here. And then you can really go crazy and customize it however you want. And as you can see, it's just very easy to move things around, add things. So for example, let's say you want to add a full width section, which I do want to do. So just click on that. You can see it adds it right away. You can easily drag it. I want that to be on top here. Click on insert a module to insert anything you want here. I want to do a image, full width image. So I'm going to click on that, and that'll load it up. That'll load up that module. And I want to use an image here, so let me look for it, and let's see, where is it? And all right, so I've time jumped a little bit here. I did my own header here using Canva. Very easy, it's free. So as you can see, that's the full width module I showed you earlier. I added a newsletter module up on top because I didn't like how it was in the bottom. I want it to be one of the first things that visitors see. So as you can see, there's my about page section that I showed you. There's the other book section as well. All my book covers now, my titles, my blurbs, all linking to my Amazon page. The review section here, as you can see, I updated that as well as this section here, and the social media buttons all have linked to my social media properties. So as you can see, it's very easy to get up and running using this author layout pack from Divi. And if you're already on Divi, it's free. It's already included. So I highly recommend you go take a look at it. It's highly customizable. Now, of course, since I'm a thriller writer, the colors here are a little more black and dark. But this can be changed for romance, for cozy. It doesn't matter what you're using. So there you go. Hope you like this. Hope this helped you see the potentials here, and hope you go check out Divi. Highly recommend it for your website. There's a link in the description down below. It's my affiliate link. Just a full disclosure on that. All right. Thanks for watching this video.